Could Apple be planning a major redesign with the iPhone 17? Leaks and rumors have started circulating, suggesting that the tech giant may be rethinking the iPhone's familiar design, especially with regard to the camera system. One of the most exciting possibilities is that the iPhone 17 could feature a new horizontal camera bar, a design element we've seen in Google's Pixel phones. This new approach could signal a fresh direction for Apple, and fans are curious to see if this marks the change the iPhone series has been waiting for. The speculation around the iPhone 17 began in November when early reports hinted at a redesign for the Pro models, specifically the camera system. Leaks from the supply chain appeared to confirm these rumors, showing what looked like a horizontal camera array on the back of a prototype iPhone 17. The leaks are further intriguing because they also reveal a single rear camera, leading many to believe that this new design could be exclusive to the iPhone 17 Air model. This model would feature a simpler design with just one rear camera, contrasting with the more advanced Pro models that are expected to have multiple cameras. Although these leaks have generated plenty of buzz, it's important to remain cautious. As with all Apple rumors, the information isn't always reliable, and reports have suggested that Apple is still exploring different ideas. One alternative being considered is a larger rectangular camera bump, which could end up being the final design. Even with these uncertainties, the idea of a horizontal camera bar has sparked excitement among Apple fans. If the leaks are correct, the iPhone 17 Air could be one of the thinnest iPhones we've seen in years, measuring just 5.5 millimeters in thickness. For comparison, the iPhone 16 is 7.8 millimeters thick. Such a reduction in thickness would make the iPhone 17 Air even more portable and visually striking. However, these leaked images are somewhat blurry, making it difficult to confirm whether they represent the final product or early prototypes. Despite this, the number of leaks in recent months strongly suggests that Apple is planning a significant redesign for the iPhone 17 series. Even if the final model doesn't look exactly like the leaks, the idea of a redesigned iPhone has generated plenty of excitement. Apple is known for its innovation, and the iPhone 17 could be another step in the company's effort to keep its flagship phone fresh and competitive. But the camera isn't the only area where the iPhone 17 might see changes. Some reports indicate that Apple could be shrinking the dynamic island on the Pro models. For those unfamiliar, the dynamic island is the pill-shaped cutout at the top of the iPhone that houses the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. First introduced with the iPhone 14, the dynamic island has become a distinctive feature of the iPhone, and now Apple may reduce its size even further in the iPhone 17 Pro. Additionally, the side rails of the Pro models are expected to be redesigned, offering a more comfortable grip and a sleeker look. These adjustments would not only enhance the visual appeal of the iPhone 17, but also improve the overall user experience. In terms of performance, the iPhone 17 is expected to offer significant improvements in camera technology. The iPhone 17 Air with its single rear camera will likely benefit from Apple's advancements in computational photography, which can produce high-quality images even with simpler camera setups. The improvements in low-light performance and image processing could make this single camera system more powerful than it might seem at first glance. We'll have to wait for the official announcement, but it's clear Apple is gearing up for a fresh look with the iPhone 17. With a new camera system, a smaller dynamic island, and a slimmer design, Apple is focusing on both style and functionality. As always, the buzz around this release has fans eagerly awaiting what's next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Are you curious about how slim a smartphone can get while still packing in all the powerful features we love? Well, Samsung has something exciting in the works for 2025 with the Galaxy S25 series, and one model in particular is turning heads, the Galaxy S25 Slim. This sleek device is expected to launch alongside the base Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, possibly at the Unpacked event coming up or in the following months. So what makes the Galaxy S25 Slim stand out from the crowd? The Galaxy S25 Slim's defining feature is its ultra-thin design. In fact, it's the thinnest in the S25 lineup, with a profile measuring just 6.4 millimeters. To put that in perspective, the regular Galaxy S25 is expected to be slightly thicker at 7.2 millimeters, while the Galaxy S25 Plus is a touch thicker, still at 7.3 millimeters. For those seeking even more premium features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thickest at 8.2 millimeters. Yet, despite these variations, the Galaxy S25 Slim clearly stands out, offering a remarkable combination of style and practicality. However, while the Galaxy S25 Slim is impressively slim, it won't claim the title of the thinnest Samsung phone ever. That honor still belongs to the Galaxy 8, which was released back in 2015 and measured just 5.7 millimeters. But In the context of today's smartphone designs, the Galaxy S25 Slim is a striking example of how far we've come, balancing a slim profile with the power and performance users expect. If you're wondering how the Galaxy S25 Slim stacks up against Samsung's foldable devices, it still manages to hold its own. Take the Galaxy Z Fold 6, for example, which measures just 5.6 millimeters when unfolded. However, once it's folded, it becomes significantly thicker at 12.1 millimeters. Similarly, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, known for its compact design, measures 6.9 millimeters when unfolded. So, while the Galaxy S25 Slim may not be as thin as some foldables, when folded, it offers a more traditional ultra-slim design that is perfect for users who prefer a regular smartphone without the extra bulk of a foldable. Samsung is clearly pushing the envelope with its Galaxy S25 series, and the Slim model plays a big role in that. It isn't about breaking records for the thinnest phone, but about creating a device that offers excellent portability, a premium design, and reliable performance. The Galaxy S25 Slim is a perfect fit for those who prioritize aesthetics, portability, and a sleek, lightweight phone without compromising on essential features. In addition to the Galaxy S25 Slim, the S25 series will offer a range of options for different user needs. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will cater to those who want top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and larger displays, while the base and Plus models provide a great balance of power and affordability. But for those who want something that's both functional and stylish, the Galaxy S25 Slim is sure to be a standout choice. As technology continues to evolve, it's clear that consumers still want phones that are thinner, lighter, and easier to carry without sacrificing performance. The Galaxy S25 Slim delivers on this front, offering a sleek, modern device that fits perfectly in your hand and in your pocket, all while keeping up with the demands of today's smartphone users. Whether you're looking for a phone that's easy to handle, lightweight, or simply gorgeous, the Galaxy S25 Slim is sure to impress. Samsung's decision to release the Galaxy S25 Slim shows that even in a world where smartphones are constantly evolving, there's still room for innovation when it comes to design. It may not set any records for thinness, but it's certainly one of the most stylish and portable smartphones Samsung has created in recent years. The Galaxy S25 Slim will likely be a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their phone in 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. What makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra the talk of the town? With Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event right around the corner, the buzz surrounding the upcoming release is only growing louder. Among the many exciting features Samsung is set to reveal, the enhanced sketch-to-image AI tool is certainly stealing the spotlight. First introduced in the previous Galaxy S series, sketch-to-image allowed users to turn basic sketches into detailed images using the S Pen or their fingers. But Samsung is taking this feature to the next level with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This time, the tool isn't just about drawing. The updated version now supports text and voice commands. That means you can describe an image in words and watch as your ideas are transformed right before your eyes. For instance, you could sketch a simple outline of a tree and say, sunset over a forest, and instantly see your sketch become a stunning, colorful landscape. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolutionary way to create on a smartphone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about giving you more tools. It's about turning your device into a powerful creative companion, all thanks to artificial intelligence. Integrated within One UI 7, Samsung's latest user interface, this feature is designed to make the creative process smoother than ever. One UI 7 isn't just about improving the look and feel of the interface, it's built to understand natural language. Whether you're speaking, typing, or using images, the AI seamlessly interprets your inputs, making it easier to communicate with your device in a way that feels more human.